How to connect your document camera to Skype. First, make sure to plug in your USB and turn on your doc cam. Now launch Skype. Then go to the settings, locate audio and video. Under camera, select your document camera. Then move down to microphone and select your document camera. Your document camera now should automatically load when you start a call. If during a call you need to change your doc cam, hover your mouse over the camera icon and select a different camera. Alternatively, you can download IPEVO Visualizer and load your doc cam inside the software. Then start a call inside of Skype. Now locate the share feature and click on it. Choose Share Application window and select Visualizer. Now you can share Visualizer while having a meeting. For more information, visit IPEVO.com.